guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Ninathesimplekenyangal. Today I just took a week off, but I really tried. I delivered Thursday, I delivered Saturday, I delivered Tuesday, so I just thought I need a break, but I'm back. If you have any topic suggestions, please comment down below. Any comment is welcome, and you get a shout out if you leave a comment. What else? Thank you so much for the subscribers, new subscribers. Welcome. I'm Nina, the simple Kenyan girl. In here we talk about healthy tips, how to handle your body, and just home tips that can help you manage any condition you're in. 2, we travel. But as of the moment, we know COVID is everywhere, so everything has slowed down a little bit, even on my travel. So the third thing we talk about is parenthood, motherhood, pregnancy, all that on Young Mom Edition every Saturday. Don't miss out. Yeah, so welcome. I hope you enjoy, and if you think this is the channel for you, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Yeah, so today on our healthy tips, we are going to talk about skincare tips during COVID. So when someone says skincare, what comes into your mind? Face, right? Facial care, right? But during COVID, a lot of things are happening, especially now, because things have not been normal, if I can say. Because 1, we are wearing masks. That's 1. 2, we are washing our hands every now and then, like very often. So what this does, you might be affected, especially on this area where the mask goes, and that's what we're gonna cover. And 2, if you wash your hands frequently, what happens? You take off the natural oils that comes into your hands, so leaving your hands open to getting dry or even cracking. Yeah, and we're gonna talk about how you can manage that, right? Yeah, so let's get right into it. So hand care to prevent dry, cracked skin. What you have to do is 1, be gentle on your hands. By this I mean avoid antibacterial cleansers, because they contain chemicals that irritate the skin. For examples of these chemicals are fragrance. Yeah. Another thing, if you're doing lots of chores in the water so often, you can get yourself some gloves. Wear gloves when cleaning to protect your skin. Yeah. 3, moisturize your hands. Just when you're done, even if you're going to a government office and you must wash your hands, because other offices I've went to, they don't allow you to sanitize, you wash with soap. Make sure you have just a small moisturizer. You can just quick moisturize, and just don't moisturize just here, get in here, because here they crack. You crack and it's really painful. I've ever experienced it. Something else, combine moisturizers. You can actually do this by let's say you have a small container, you can combine all those small moisturizers that you can put on your handbag, and this is actually so helpful, because as long as you have this on your moisturizers, this is glycerin, urea, and hyaluronic acid, you're good to go. Your hands are very well protected. 5, don't ignore early skin protection. By this I mean, don't just wait to feel your hands are dry. Just, you see the way normally people just pop up a sanitizer, you can actually do that. It's okay to do that. Just pop up the moisturizer and just moisturize. And by this, to realize by after a while your hands are so, I don't know if mine are really a good example because they're a little bit dry. This is my best hand, so yeah, they it's, you feel proud, like when you look at your hands, you're like, "Ah, I'm good to go, man." Yeah, so that is one. Two, we have facial care. Most cases, this is not told anywhere, actually. No one talks about it, but most people are experiencing hardship while putting on masks, especially if you're on a full day shift, you're putting on mask from morning till evening. This part of your body, this part of your skin is actually affected, and what this does, you might get injuries. At worst, you might get bruises if you're working a lot. And yeah, so some of the tips that I can give you to manage such a condition or a situation is: one, adapt a regular skincare routine. So if you have an oily skin, avoid heavy duty creams and ointments such as petroleum jelly. Instead of using petroleum jelly, just use water-suitable moisturizer. And this goes all around the year, even if it's winter and your skin is really oily. I don't think there's any need of using a petroleum jelly. Something else, use a barrier ointment or bandage to prevent skin injury caused by pressure or friction of the mask. A thin layer of zinc oxide can soothe and protect skin. I know you're wondering, where will I get a zinc oxide? Easy. It's often used for diaper rash. Diaper rash, you can just go buy and just apply, because no one is gonna see any of this for a while, so you can just go and just get that done. Every day you're putting on a mask and it's really messing you up, you can just go apply and go to work, and easy peasy lemon squeezy, easy to go. 3, treat acne. So most people as of this time, they're experiencing acne, maybe recurring or just new development. You've not ever had acne, but since you're putting on the mask, it's coming. So what to do as of this point? Cleanse your skin regularly and use water suitable soluble moisturizer. Look for acne treatment products that contain, I tell you all the time, if you're in here and you're new, I tell these guys all the time to check the ingredients on your box or on the paper that you're, anything that you're buying, check your ingredients. It's really important. So what to check when you're buying acne treatment products? Benzol peroxide or salicylic acid. Also, avoid popping or squeezing pimples. I write the benzol peroxide and the that's salicylic acid. Yeah, so the bottom line is skincare is really important, and what I'll leave you with is a professional care advice. So they say, don't give up on washing hands and wearing masks, as they are critical prevention measures. If your skin starts to bleed, it gets to this point. If it starts to bleed, it has lots of blisters or become infected, talk to your doctor promptly. Treatment may include prescription medicines and skin therapies. Actually, this happens to the hands too. If your skin, it gets to a point, I've ever gotten to that point when I was in school. It gets to a point your hands are really dry and they look like they're shedding off, You see the way like the skin just wants to recur again, so it just sheds off the dead skin. But the difference on this point is this dead skin stays for weeks, so you should get checked. It's not normal. Okay, yeah, so I hope you guys have learned something new. I hope you can share this video with anyone that you think they might be of help. Yeah, or anyone who, you know, works really hard and has any of these problems. Please share it. If you're not staying at home, share the hand care technique too. Yeah, and God bless you all. Yeah, so a big shout out to Princess Mary. Big shout out to you, Princess. And Evelyn Obare, thank you so much for always supporting my work. I really appreciate. If you want a shout out, just go comment down below. Any comment is okay. If you have a topic suggestion, comment down below. Yeah, and God bless you so much. I will see you on the next video. Peace out.